Hi everyone, Zach here. Today I just came out for a little check and well, I'm gonna work on this Grevillea robusta as a pre-bonsai, so just a common job roots, and I'm planning to chop it off right. Well, take it closer for this one. Yeah, well, as you can see, there's a lot of new shoots at the bottom, and this branch which it could become the leader, and chop it off just right above, but I'm probably gonna stay a little bit safer, in a safer zone, let's say. Yeah, even though, yeah, I not really fancy those two branches, like going like that, but yeah. All right, so this is the first Grevillea robusta that I got in pot. I have another one in the front garden that I'm taking care of since, I don't know, a few years. Since I moved here, it was already there. Chopped it back off, hard pruned 2 years ago, and it actually grew pretty well. So I'm confident that this one can hold. It can manage. I mean, it can manage to a big cut. Yep. Quite start to get quite root bound. Yeah, with still thin roots. Well, I can see some big ones actually. It's just stick. But overall, has really nice new growth also. So I guess it's the perfect time. It's the perfect time for repot. Oh, well, work around, but it's not that easy to work with Australian native. Yeah, they're not very hardy. So anyway, let's start. There's a little bit of moss growing, so I guess it was quite wet. This soil, it was kept in a moist area. The soil is quite sandy, different from the one that I use, which is more rocky, and I add some perlite, just because I like how porous it is, and yeah, I usually mix it up in my soil all the time. Not always, but I would say 80% of the time. let's give it a wash and see what's behind this mess. Alright, here we are. Has few thick roots. Yeah. And here I can feel it. Yeah, and it just goes around at the bottom, few of them. What I'm gonna do is just gonna shorten up this one and leave it, because it might become something good, or it might not. We'll see. I'm gonna get rid of this and the one at the bottom. And I won't disturb too much those roots today. Again, it's gonna be just a pre-bonsai course, and just a preliminary step, a first step into the journey. Just put some screening. That'll do. And just have some old soil, a little bit more chunky, so you won't fall off too much. Please. And because this is such a different soil, very sandy, I will add it to my mix and try to maintain a little bit of the old environment for this little tree. I would say I'll go one part, yeah, it could be 1/3. Just using the chopstick to remove air pocket that might have created in the pot. Now the question is where to chop it. So we have some buds that seems they dried off, maybe for the sun, the heat, I don't know, or not enough energy to them. But we also have someone that side, one here. So I could cut this whole branch and keep this one as a leader, and eventually there's another one on the other side, so I could just go very short. Maybe for safety. There's another one in the inside, but I don't want that, so there we go. I might try to propagate this one. Why not? I'm not sure if it will take, but yeah. And this other branch, probably remove this. There is a little bud here. Well, this is the first leaf. After this, I don't quite like this bud. We shoot from the inside all on that side. But again, for the sake of the growth of this tree, I'll just stay on a safe zone. This looks like much nicer cutting. So we don't want all these. We also have another bud coming up. We don't want this. Well, let's keep this one because it's the only thing on this side so far. I'm not sure which one is the front yet. Might be this one. This one, might be this one, maybe this one, something like that. Wow, still a long way to go. I'll just clean up a little bit those. Nicer shape. Right, so I'll bring you closer. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.